The Hyundai Ioniq 9 is here, and it's redefining the concept of luxury electric vehicles. This flagship F from Hyundai combines cutting-edge technology, futuristic design, and exceptional performance to create a vehicle that doesn't just compete, it leads. Let's dive into everything that makes the Ioniq 9 one of the most exciting electric SUVs of 2025. From the moment you see the Ioniq 9, it's clear this is no ordinary SUV. The bold front grille, illuminated by Hyundai's signature parametric pixel lights, immediately grabs attention. The sleek silhouette, flush door handles, and aerodynamic lines make it not only stunning to look at but incredibly efficient on the road. Hyundai's designers have taken minimalism to a new level, creating a modern and elegant look that's distinctly futuristic. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a car interior. Sustainability plays a big role here, with materials like recycled plastics, natural leather alternatives, and eco-friendly textiles. The spacious layout is designed for ultimate comfort, with customizable ambient lighting and reclining seats for all passengers. The dual 15-inch curved displays dominate the dashboard, seamlessly integrating the infotainment and driver information systems. It's all about creating a relaxing, connected experience for every occupant. The Ioniq 9 is built on Hyundai's E-GMP platform, which has been praised for its efficiency and performance. Equipped with a massive battery pack, it offers an impressive range of up to 400 miles on a single charge. Charging is faster than ever, thanks to 800-volt technology, which lets you charge from 10 to 80% in just under 20 minutes at a fast charging station. With dual electric motors, the Ioniq 9 delivers over 400 horsepower, enabling a 0 to 60 time of just under 5 seconds. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Ioniq 9 offers a smooth, quiet, and exhilarating drive. Safety and technology are at the heart of this flagship SUV. Hyundai's latest Smart Sense suite includes features like highway driving assist, remote smart parking, and an advanced augmented reality heads-up display. The Ioniq 9 also boasts Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, which means it can handle most driving tasks under certain conditions, giving you a glimpse into the future of mobility. Hyundai hasn't forgotten about practicality, either. With its spacious cabin and flexible seating configurations, the Ioniq 9 is perfect for families or adventurers who need extra space. The frunk adds even more storage, while the flat floor design ensures passengers in the second and third rows have plenty of legroom. The Ioniq 9 is more than just a car, it's a statement. It showcases Hyundai's commitment to sustainability, innovation, and delivering vehicles that don't compromise on style or performance. Whether you're looking for luxury, cutting-edge tech, or environmental responsibility, the Ioniq 9 delivers on all fronts. If you're ready to embrace the future of electric mobility, the Hyundai Ioniq 9 deserves a spot on your radar. It's not just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future. Stay tuned for more updates, and let us know what you think about this incredible F in the comments below.